Ek dink ons moet 'n draai gaan ry, Mile. Ek keer 'n bakkie, cheap. So we're just gonna go for a little bit of a drive to get his energy. Nope, no driving into that. Not even walking into that. Come on, Milo. While we're walking down the river, let's have a quick look at the dam levels and flows. The Vaal Dam is showing at about just over 100% and dropping. Bloemhof Dam also dropping, it's at about 101%. The Geriep Dam is at 96% and dropping. I'm guessing they, with the load shedding we're having, they're generating maximum electricity they can, using a lot of water to do that. But I think because they're expecting more water, they will take the risk and do that. Van der Kloof Dam, same situation. It's higher. It's at about 104% and dropping. But I think they're also using water to generate electricity to the max there. Then looking at the lower orange, I've had a look at the upper and middle Vaal, upper orange. There's not much flow going on there. We could have a look quickly at Alival Noord. That will be an early indication. Not much flow. Lower orange, Katlani has dropped down to below 1,100 cubic. So Uppington is at a slight peak at the moment, not much of a peak, but it's dropping again. So overall, the river and dam situations look good, with a lot of capacity in the dams to absorb floods. If we look at the weather forecast is changing all the time. This morning, this was much heavier forecast than it is now. This is for Bethlehem. Alival Noord further south has increased up to, what is this? This is about 80 millimeters in total for that 10-day period. And you also see it here. Let's just first look at the accumulated rain. Looking at the next 3 days, 20 millimeters or so, not too heavy. Then at the next 5 days, you can see that it's increased quite a lot in the central area in the Free State. And it's reduced slightly in the north of Pretoria. This is up to about 120, 140 millimeters forecast. So that's quite heavy. So I don't think we will expect so much from the Vaal River this time, but more from the Orange River. Thunderstorms is a different matter. We've all seen on the internet heavy thunderstorms in the north. There's more coming in. And even closer to us on Friday, it looks like we can expect even near Kleinpella. That's just out of Kleinpella. So a lot of thunderstorms on the way. Also important to note is that there is quite a bit of thunderstorms predicted for the Eastern Cape here, and that area is in dire need of some rain. Looking at the accumulated rain, there is actually some rain for that area forecast. Anyway, this is the end for the update part of this video. From here on in, it will basically just be me and Milo walking along the river, and Milo swimming a bit. See you on the next one. Cheers. After a day's work, this is about the best relaxation I can think of.
Anyways, oh, and that's kudu. That's kudu. We have a couple of kudu wandering about here. Now, if Milo doesn't trample all over them, this is what klipspringer tracks look like. They stand on their tippy toes like that,